What it do, y'all? It's your boy Don, so we back with another video, man. Hey man, say now. We got a new toy, dog. A new toy to play with, yo. Pause, not like that. But let me get these cutters, these dikes, man. So we got a new toy to play with for one, and for two, we have to check the brakes on the Evo. We're gonna check the brakes on the Evo. Yeah, because they're making some noise, so it's not like they're grinding a little bit, but they're making noise. So I'm gonna check those brakes out on the Evo. And we have, like I said, we do have a new toy to play with, to use. And yeah, let me turn the camera around and let me show you guys, and let's unbox. And just before we do that, I will have to mention I'm gonna have to put a rush on this. I need to unbox it anyway because I'm gonna have to use it. But yeah, we got a side job today actually that I'm currently dressed for. I'm actually about to throw the mechanic suit on because y'all know when the mechanic suit come on, shit get real. But yeah, we got a side job today. That's gonna be a separate video from this. This is just gonna be a straight Evo video, and then we'll film the side job video separate. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's turn the camera around and let's show you guys what we got. Alrighty, guys. Here we have a Husky. We have a 3-ton low profile jack. Lift up the capacity, lift 6,000 pounds capacity, lift weight, Husky. And we got this from Home Depot, man. Home Depot for the Black Friday sale. Now, I probably could have got it a little cheaper, probably from like, I don't know, let's say shit, like Harbor Freight or something, or like, nah, I think it would have been a little more expensive. I think this was like 140, I think it was. It was like 140. So yeah, or Costco, but I don't have a Costco card. So yeah, I'm cheap. I'm broke. I don't have a Costco card. Call me what you want, guys, but whatever. It's only me and my lady in here. We don't need all that bulky shit in there. But to having a Costco card will be good though for certain amenities. And then I asked one of my friends to give me one because he has a Costco card. If you know who you are, you know who you are. So yeah, no offense, I don't need a jack no more. I have mine now. I have my own now. But yeah, shout out to Home Depot, man. Black Friday sale. I think it was originally like 180, 189.99 or something like that. Black Friday sale for 140, I believe it is, or I believe it was. But yeah, man, I'm super fucking psyched, guys. Excuse my language. I'm super psyched. Now we have another jack, and it's a low profile, and this is going to come in handy for the side job I'm about to do today, because that is a low ass car that I'm about to go do today. So yeah, we'll say the rest of the information. We'll say the rest of the info for that video on that car. So yeah, man. So you know you have your rods, your 2 rods right there, and you have your actual jack. The actual jack right here. I probably shouldn't try to lift it up with one hand, but we're going to try to lift it up with one hand anyway. Or not try, we're going to succeed. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so psyched. For one, I'm psyched because it's a new jack, for one. And two, it's a low profile. Now, you guys know, I've been watching the videos. You guys know we've had this one. We've had this one. I don't know what ton this one is. I don't know the lift capacity of it. I just know it's not a low profile jack. So, yeah. And as you see, the little bleeder nipple joint fell off to fill it with fluid, so that's gone. This is fucked, like the teeth here is fucked up. I try to tighten this and loosen it to fix it. It don't jack, like it jacks up, but only but so far. But yeah, man, whatever. Regardless, we got a new jack now. I guess I have to take this out, whatever this is. This little piece right here. We're gonna take that out. We're gonna take this out and we're gonna get cracking, man, because I need to go. So yeah, man, we need to go. That's an unboxing for the jack. It's actually been a few days since the last clip, but we are back with the Evo, man. Y'all see we still got that car in. Actually, I'm just wrapping that video up, so by the time y'all get this video, no, by the time, because I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do the Evo video first, so by the time, you know what I'm saying, this Evo video, then that's gonna be a separate video. If you don't know, if I didn't explain it already, I don't think I did. I think I explained it in that video that I'm doing this, but now I'm in this video explaining that I did that. But either way, both of these cars are getting done. Well, that car's done right now. But we back with the Evo, man. Back to Evo. Like I said in the last clip, which was some days ago, I need to check the brakes, and then we're doing an oil change on the car. So finally got a package from Matt Performance. Yeah, Matt Performance. Go ahead, if you got an Evo, you know what I'm saying, Evo 8, 9, 10, go ahead and follow Matt Performance, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, we got a nice OEM oil filter. We got a nice OEM cabin air filter. So we're gonna be replacing those. I still need to get the oil, but I'm gonna run the AutoZone. I'm gonna run the AutoZone and get the oil. And while I'm gonna check the brakes first. I'm gonna check the brakes real quick first. But once I check the brakes and put the tires back on, I'm gonna drain the oil. And while the oil is draining, I'm gonna go to AutoZone and grab the oil. So without further ado, let's get the jack under the car. I'm gonna see if I can get it smack in the middle on the subframe. That way so I can take both of the front wheels off and look at them instead of doing it side by side. So let me go ahead and set that up real quick, and then come along with me guys, checking the brakes on the Evo. Alright guys, back with it. Sorry about the last clip. My battery had literally died in my gun. So I had to go on a charge for like 5 minutes. So now we got a good solid 2 bars. So yeah, let's take off the wheels. Well, I already took off the passenger side, so now we're gonna drive it side. So let's take off the wheels now. And look at these brakes, by the way. And I also gotta find a tire pressure leak or an air leak or something in the tire, because the tire pressure light is on. So we have to find yeah. I imagine these tires are dry rotted like a mug. So yeah. Let me grab a flashlight real quick. Alright guys, back with the lights. You feel me? YouTube's favorite lights. My favorite lights actually. But yeah, let's see. I kind of already see these brim rails need to be redone, but it's low. It's getting low. Let's check the inside pad. Let me take off my headlight so I can show you guys. I'm trying to see. Oh, that inside pad looks a little low, guys. Let me see. I can barely see because of this angle. Oh no, it's low. It's still got like a good 4 or 5 30 seconds on it. It look like. Yeah, let me see. Oh yeah, it got a good like 4 30 seconds left on it. So let's check the driver's side. That is solid. They're probably just old, like crusty kind of brake. They're not crusty, but it's probably just an old brake or something maybe. Because they was kind of making noise a little bit. It sounded like they were just like grinding a little bit, but the brakes are still solid. Like I said, I would say they're still solid 5, 30 seconds. Maybe it's 6 shit. But it's a solid 5, I would say. But yeah, I wish I'm gonna put the wheels back on, but I need to find this tire leak. Well, actually, no, I'm gonna just do it when I come back. But right now, let me set the shit. I don't want to put the wheels on, just take the wheels back off of the guys. Because I think I have the jack in my way of the oil pan and stuff. But let's see. Let's see real quick. We want to start draining the oil while we go to AutoZone to get the oil, like I said. Alright guys, we are under the car. We are going to drain this oil, and while the oil drains, like I said, we're going to run the AutoZone to get some 5W30 oil, because that's what it takes. So let's drain this oil, shall we? And it's not a 40. I grabbed the 14. I think 14 was the size. And I think I grabbed a 17 and a 19 as well. No, that's not the size either, so. I don't think it's 17. This ain't a Honda. It might be a 16. No, I think it's 17 for sure. 17 for sure, guys. Yep, 17. Okay. Get this off of there. Great. I love getting my tools stuck on the drain board. Okay, there we go. Okay. Well, it's really cold as hell. that dirty glove off. One free hand. Alright, now like I said, we're gonna let that drain, then we're gonna run the AutoZone and get the oil. So let's run the AutoZone and get the oil while that drains. Let's unscrew the rest of that. Okay. Now usually with the new filter, I like to put the new oil around the rubber gasket, but Mitsubishi already puts grease on the rubber gasket on the oil filter, so that's great. Shout out to Mitsubishi for that, man. I don't know why, like, I don't know, fucking Honda don't do that, but you know, whatever. Girl, let me set y'all up real quick. We are back with it. Put the oil in the car. Well, I already pulled the majority of the oil in the car, I'm not gonna lie, because I was recording for a YouTube short. But the oil is pretty much gone, so. But yeah. This is the last of it. Yo, in the back. Alright, y'all. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the loud ass air compressor I got going on, because I'm about to check the tire pressure. But right now we're going to change the cabin air filter. Changed the cabin air filter. Already got the old cabin filter out. Actually, damn, that stopped just in time too. But we got the old cabin filter out. Glove box down. You just take this little tab out. This is for like a lot of glove boxes, especially like JDM. But yeah, you take this little tab off the side right there. Squeeze the side of the glove box to take that off, and then just on both sides. There's two on both sides, and just let it swing down, and voila, new cabin filter. And just like that, we're back together. So this old filter, the old filter is in here, so we're gonna toss this in the trash along with the old oil filter. And right now I'm going to take the compressor and I'm gonna check all the tire pressure, because the tire pressure light is on, like I said. And I really think it's that driver one. That driver one looked the lowest, but we're gonna check all the tire pressures. Let's see what else. I think I got some washer fluid, I think. So I'm gonna fill it up with some washer fluid. Oh wait, actually, you know, that's coolant. That's coolant, but I think I have some coolant that'll work for the car. And oh wait, the washer fluid is in the trunk. The reservoir is in the trunk actually. But yeah, it's coolant. I think I got some coolant. I believe it's blue coolant if I'm not mistaken. And if it is, I think it's blue. It looked green. It might be green for real. But I'm gonna check the shed. I'm gonna check my inventory and see if I got any coolant. Damn, Jungle is about to pop off. Too much boosting. But yeah, let's check the tire pressure. I'm gonna do that off camera real quick, and then be right back with you guys. All right, guys, your boy Don's. We are back with it, man. The Evo is now on the ground, letting it run for a minute. This battery keep dying. It needs a new battery for sure. Definitely needs a new battery in there for sure. Because I charged it my second time charging it today, and I charged it for like 30 minutes, and then the other day I charged it for like 30 minutes for almost an hour. But that, you know, with the cold weather we're having, you know, here in the good old DMV, it's cold, so battery, I guess the battery's dying faster. Battery's definitely bad for one, and it's dying out fast because of the cold weather. But yeah, man, whatever. But the Evo's on the ground, man. As y'all can see, the car is gone. That Accord is gone. The customer came and got the car. They were super excited. Super excited. I'm super excited to have it about my yard for one. Out the shop. But no, it was a good experience. But yeah, no, that's gone. They were super stoked, super happy. No, I'm super happy for them. They had the car back. That car was a learning experience. like, because it was one, it was a slam car, so that kind of really messed it up, or like really threw my feng shui off. And then that, and I never did an oil pan on those Honda Accords. I've always done one on the older ones, like the body style before that one. So like the 7th gen and the 6th gen are the ones I'm used to doing oil pans on as far as Hondas go, or the Accords go. Civic, no problems. Toyota's definitely no problem. I do a Toyota oil pan all day, any day, every day, whatever. But yeah, no, it was a good learning experience for your boy. Would I do it again? Yeah, I'll do it again. But I know what I would charge next time. Gave him a super steal of a price, for real, super steal of a price. But next person won't get that price. Nah. And then it's about to be a new year, so prices is definitely going up after this year. Next year, starting January 1st, 2026, prices are going up. Yeah, man, it was great. That was a fun experience, but we're not talking about that car. We're talking about this car. There's nothing left to really say about the car, but the oil change is done. Got the new cabin air filter in there. Check the tire pressure. 3 of the tire pressures were low. The lowest one was at, I think, 20 psi. I ain't seen no leaks in it though. But the tires are old. The tires are old and dry rotted, so they need to be replaced regardless. But yeah, no, the Evo's done. I actually might take this for a spin around the block or so, to get the juices flowing. I haven't drove it since last week, so yeah. But yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If this video helped you out as far as oil change, y'all already know I do the oil changes all the time. I do the oil change videos all the time. But if this video helped you out, whether you have an Evo or not, or any JDM, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys fuck with your boy, give your boy a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below, man. I want to hear you guys comments, man. Battery is about to die, so I want to hear you guys comments, man. Talk to your boy down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, man. We at 271, if I'm not mistaken, still. So let's get to 300 by the end of December. So yeah, that's your boy Don. So we signing out. See y'all in the next one. Peace.